Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing the authentic Ghanaian Waakye. Oh yes, because we are in the month of March, which is Ghana month. Now in this month of March, we celebrate our heritage as Ghanaians. Therefore, we wear Ghana, we live Ghana, and we eat Ghana. So guys, stay with me as I show you how I prepare my Ghanaian Waakye, okay? This is my way, okay? So please stay with me. With the ingredients, I'm going to use some beans. I'm using the black-eyed ones. You can use any one of your preference, okay? And you'd be good to go. I also need some rice. I'm going to use some sorghum stalks or what we call waakye leaves here, baking soda, salt to taste. I have some sliced onions and a little bit of vegetable oil. Now, are you wondering what these two are doing in waakye preparation? Do not worry, just watch this video to the end and you'd get to know. Now guys, it's time for us to begin the process. To a pan, add just enough water to cook your beans, okay? Now at this point, I'll add my beans that I've washed properly and taken out all dirt from it. I'll then introduce the sorghum stalks at this point. These stalks or waakye leaves give your waakye some nice color. Without it, you are just preparing rice and beans. I'll then add my baking soda. Now, the baking soda helps to soften your beans faster and also aids the sorghum stalks to release their color to your waakye. Now you can see that the water has already changed color. We will cook this until the beans is halfway done. We do not want it 100% done because we are going to add our rice later on, okay? So when it's halfway cooked, take out all the waakye leaves or your sorghum stalks. Now, if you want your waakye to be a little darker, it means you are going to add a bit more of the baking soda. Now it's time for us to add our rice. Make sure you wash it properly until the water runs clear, okay? Now we will give this a stir to make sure that the rice and the beans have been combined properly, okay? So we'll add our salt at this point just to taste. Then throw in our sliced onions and add our oil. If you prepare your waakye without this, then in your next waakye trip, please try this and you are going to love it. So we'll cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring from time to time, okay? Guys, look at this waakye. It's not even done yet, but it's looking so appetizing. It's looking beautiful and the color is so rich. Guys, just look at this. Now we'll cover it until it is completely done, okay? So about 8 to 10 minutes later, our waakye is done and the softness is just the way I want it and the color as well. So if you do not want it too soft, then please adjust your water from the beginning, okay? Now guys, it is time for us to serve our waakye and enjoy it. In Ghana here, we enjoy this with some spaghetti, boiled eggs, gari, beef stew, shito or black pepper sauce, some fried fish, cow skin or what we call pomo or wele. But I'm going to enjoy mine with some spaghetti, boiled eggs, gari, and my turkey stew. Oh my God. Like I said, you can enjoy this with beef stew as well or any stew that you have and you'll be fine. Guys, you all are invited. I hope you like this video. Now it's time for us to dig in and see how it tastes. And oh my God, it tastes so delicious. I hope you are going to give this video a thumbs up and you are going to subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't done that yet. Until then, I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all from Ghana. Bye.